Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the front control panel on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the front control panel. Lift the old panel up and out. Install the new control panel by aligning the slots in the panel on the mounting bracket tabs. Thread the mounting screws to secure. You will need to transfer the control knob bezels from the old panel to the new one, or install new bezels. With the bezel's indicator line facing up, align the control knob with the bezel, then position the knob on the valve stem to help properly align the bezel on the control panel. With the bezels and knobs in place, turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.